Hi, in this video I will walk you through setting up and using your investment calculator. To keep things working correctly, most formula cells are protected so that you don't accidentally change something important. If you see a warning message, it just means that cells shouldn't be edited. Also, try not to move the cells around, as it could mess up how the spreadsheet works. Now let's get started. The README tab includes detailed instruction on how to use the spreadsheet. The tracker consists of two main tabs. The first one is Setup tab. Select your start date using the pop-up calendar. The date sets the foundation for your investment plan. Next, enter your investment horizon, the period over which you plan to grow your investments. Now it's time to add details about your investments. You will enter the name for each investment so that you can easily track them later. Next, input your initial investment amount, the money you are starting with. Next, add the estimated annual rate of return, which reflects the expected percentage of growth. Finally, enter the amount of your plan to contribute each month to keep building your investments over the time. This spreadsheet is designed to handle multiple investments, allowing you to track up to 10 at once. Once everything is set up, it's time to move to the Investment Calculator tab, where all the calculations happen automatically. There is no need to enter anything here. The first section is the overview of all your investments. For each investment, you will be able to see the projected end balance, which tells you how much your investment will be worth at the end of your investment horizon. You will also see the total contributions you have made over time. To help visualize your progress, this tab includes built-in graphs and charts that display the growth of your investment over time. The investment table provides a summary of your results, including the final balance, total contributions, and total interest earned for each investment. Additionally, the bar chart offers a clear visual representation of financial balance and rate of return, making it easy to see how each investment is performing. That is everything you need to know to track your investments. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment or send me a message. I have included my contact info in the description below. Thank you for watching.